TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Aje kitariki 24 mutiyenye 10 umwaka 2025 kukwarigana nende senchera ya bene imemesete amangana ya yechinsa 10 iretirana nchikoro kwa Daniel Omwaga naya nana okwarganirie korwa chingongo au chinsi. Mwancho mugereria amaya chinsa 10 ni gotego ya chaka korase county ya Nyamira aselit korero umwaziri bwekisemi muske Julius Ogamba amaono mwaziri boborendi Sofia Tuya nigo bara umunyega obwogwaka kamago ase obwaga chiwe university area ya Nyamira nseme ya Kyabonyuru hiyo gotoka se ward ya Itibo ebunge ya North Mugirango imeye county ya Nyamira university yo nigo eragachu aseka kemeti yenyi 10 eremotwe asera tware birasi 15 onomo eyue eraire goserere chimilioni chimia ibere ekwagacho ekerekyo nigo nonye nigo bara yabo bamwakereko ko muske William Ruto na gusaba abamenyi komwa ekura asentunda ya kabere kero chikora chine kirakorekana mwaka w'ikirubere na 2025 na ibere
Abonyoru taenda gateba by January 2025 go break the ground matatiza kawa kidogo mtwanyara go break ground tarehe 15 mwezi wa 8 2025 abagusibonzi pi bakagenda State House Nairobi kobaroro naende bagasabaki yagachwarali Kyabonyoro mwakwana 3 days after that agatotebinga tochega igane PS ya defense tokaminyoka gaiga nechi technical team bagachora tukaanza kuchora university
haisaidii mtu yeyote. Mheshimiwa Nyamoko mimi najua ile vita amepigana mpaka akaweza kuconvince viongozi wote wa sehemu hii ili university ifanyike hapa. Na kushukuru sana na kukupongeza Mheshimiwa Nyamoko pamoja na viongozi wengine na tutashirikiana hadi kufaulu kwa project hii. So let us cooperate, support one another and work hand in hand to ensure the success of this noble project. Nikimalizia ni kusema pia kwamba kando na Nyamira University College ambaye ndio tumezindua siku ya leo pale Kisii County tuko na mradi ambao umeshakamilika umefanyika na Kenya Defence Forces na hiyo ni Keroka Level 4 Hospital. Hiyo ni Nyamira County. Nimesema Kisii. Ni Nyamira County. Lakini si ina support Abagusi community yote? Yes, it is for the Abagusi community. So the Keroka Hospital is complete. Tumebakisha kidogo the fencing. Na pia it is coming complete with an ambulance which we shall soon be commissioning and delivering again for the welfare and forward progress of the people of Nyamira County and the Abagusi community.
Mwancho mugeria oroboti yorwe University ya Nyamira noronyore senchera yobe kanu ensaya momo ne chinse sato asomori kito Steven Nyari Kembonde agete magaria na okata oroboti yorwe senchera yobe kanu togos kamotu totambuke goika ase county ya Kisii ase amata yamo korwa ase Kinyoro Kyabo Matara ekike gotoka ase wodi ya Kitutu Central yoireme yebunge ya Kitutu Chache South nigaje sokire na gosaba konyi ibwo kwagacherwa enyomba na abasamaria abayago se barai ao ase Kerianga abana babo nigo bakorara ase nyombengo tukigima egotwa agoika amacha goswa nyomba ekero kiembura
ono muchuna bo bwato bokongu twatakobo konyo yoranje gotokonya tokonye enyomba bakorara agegotwa ebochogete kirase kere mbura egotwa ebakoringa ebinto embura yatu yasira nande bamakwara asai nande barara bono twasaba ogokonya oyo oranje gotokonya tokonye amwagachire enyomba nona abana abwata abu bane tari konyara kobarageri nabo konyora ondo omokonyire omotoriro ondo omokonyire yanga kobeka konya gusukeria obogima osogende ondo omobongororera bando omo amotoriro
eta bokong mwakona agakwa kantigira abana bane bono ndime cyane cyane kintu gontwera timbwatikere kuri abana bakotekwe indagire kwambere ngo kuragira abana
senge dodo mojano monune mama kotera tata tsira 2023 ama katari kuinyara be andre kuinyara mama chikonda kona njina kora twa konya na mona banda bakke nte skulu na tigira seit na bado sangwa na richi form 1 ya bana na bon na botore zile zinkone ya sendionsi na okole mogondo ya na mchengo iga na nyana bakona gitago sikara mu inanyote na sina basapot ni ndaga kile muri gote to tenenya stwa bakayasira nanda to mabari ndo chabo sikanye goto ona goto wate mu chando mu gasenke
na gotigana na yumwanchu murgereria bono magega yogochakibwa ko muroberi onyota ime ya county ya Kisii kibere cha etire nigo mo bisomonene ase wizara yo werenia amo ona mangana ya krero omoske Steven Isabo kerit kuria rero araire omuroberio obo unengi abari aberi kiri ase omuroberio yo ase atebirabuna engana ya serikali no gokonya abasae kwerikiana gwekonya kurwa somuroberio yo onyota uyogenderete kukorikibwa ase chingongo au chinse ya Kenya.
Vijana mpo so I just request you to give me a few minutes to confirm what the NSNU official said and also the county commissioner. Shauri leo ni siku yenu. As you are aware, less than 2 weeks ago, I was in Kisii in this very hall to sensitize the Nyota program. We were announcing the launch of registration, and we announced and said the youth between 18 and 29 years are eligible to register across the country, both male and female. And this program is targeted at the people who reach from 4 and below. So this morning, I'm glad to announce that countrywide, we got over 804,000 youth registered in this program. For Kisii County, where we are today, we got 29,979 youth. 29,979 youth actually enrolled in this program. And if I give a breakdown by constituency, Nyariba Chache, where we are today, had 3,954. Kitutu Chache South, 2,846. Obasi, 4,145. Umachoge Chache, 2,453. South Mugirango 4,480, Onchari 3,265, Kitutu Chache North 1,905, Machodo 1,946, and then Nyeriba Masaba 2,993. As I said, a total of 29,979, just a small number short of 30,000 youth from Kisii County. So as we said by the NSNU official, you now have, having registered through the Nyota program, have now entered this process, and today is a process of validation. Validation is to see the person who actually enrolled virtually using the SMS, the *254#. Does the person exist?
mwanchumurgeria kero ebiri botutuka nuje gutumika imitandao yabako gusainibwa anomora ibwense William Ruto amatuka amakaetire bono nigo omubunge bwebunge yensemo ya Kikuyu ojobo igo oromo omateneni bwa bange asebungane no musike Kimani Ichungwa amwegereire omora ibwense asokobeka ese ichibiri cyobutumiki bwo mutandao asate werbuna nigo kirakonye abana abanyaruka nabo igo ko barenda ko gose asamagimabo kuroso gutumika obebwe bw'emitandao.
There is a tragedy in this country. If there is an epidemic killing more young people today in this country, it is not HIV/AIDS, it is not cancer, it is not diabetes, it is something called teenage depression. Our young people are suffering depression because of being terrorized online through cyberbullying. Bishop, that amendment bill sought to protect the children of Kenya from cyberbullying so that they do not commit suicide. The only amendment to Section 27 was adding 3 or 4 words that if your behavior online in cyberbullying is likely to cause somebody to commit suicide, you shall be guilty of an offense. Sasa Bishop, mimi nashindwa. Mbunge aliyoleta ile mjadala ama bill alikosea nani kulinda na kukinga watoto wa Kenya? The truth is, the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Act was assented to by President Uhuru Kenyatta in May of 2018. The provisions of Section 27, which I saw even a judge of the High Court yesterday being misled by the culture of misinformation to suspend, were assented to by President Uhuru Kenyatta in 2018.
Na usikamutu mwanchumurgereria nigo mara ibwense musike William Ruto nigo anyaganiriye timu iyo mubira abwenkoyo yabasubati wense ya Kenya Harambee Stars sobobwi asegosori yabo one timu uyense ya Gambia omorogo borero asegosori yokuriye tigiti yekigosori kiri cha WAFCON ekiyo kirakorekane omwaka ogocha. Ruto nigo abatebiri igose nigo abarireira yogocha kobatona kirobya onyeba ochikonyoru obwi omorogo borero mwanchumurgereria yagosori yo gwatira bonega nigo ya chakira nigo yako chiteka 10 yagosori gukara karibwa hasegeti keria Kenya Stadium aiga imeyobo tagati ibwo mochi o Nairobi asebona gokwana gwetera ensenchira yetsimi gose video ya WhatsApp imambya lero amona bagosoria abe timu ya Harambee Stars nse eyoborai mwarimu abo Beldin Odemba nigo abatebiringa honya bawo chikonyara kubwa nigo agochia kubatona na igo bago chikotarise nyomberia ya State House asara nyare kobaganye hinyoranga mwancho murigeria yagosori yego chikokoreka nitwe lero honya bakonyero bobui nigo ogosori round ya kabere gose round 2 yo chikokarekana itskolie Jumatano ikigocha ime agency area ya Gambi mwancho murigeria inyoranga etimu ya Harambee Stars eriyo mwere kigima kwetire titi yogosoria emyanebyo ne myaka 10 ya etire yakarachinga kecho ya Rokorau amo ono mwalimu David Ouma wichinga kecho horengo mokocha we timu ya Harambee Stars yagosoria ejo niyagendera temege ti Kenya Stadium na ndigo tokuganeria abasubati baito ba Harambee Stars obobwi entira area ya bene na into bachikonya gotubeka seramani iye chikosori omwaka ogocha omwaka 2025 onemo gose 2026 chikosori kirakorekane ime agency area ya Morocco nyoranga batara chikosoria ne timu uyense ya Gambia omwancho mwegereria nigo etimu ya Harambee Stars yabatako bagekonya wikubarusia abanyangongo Tunisia omwaka gose mapema omwaka yoringo mutienyo kabere nabona onyabago chikonya ita Gambia inka nabo konya ita garia sobo nigo nto chikolika omugano monene so okwena chiretigiti yogosoria ibinanebyo obya WAFCON inse ye myaka 10 korwa tubigosoria eryo mwedio.
And I want to ask again, as I did this morning, ask every Kenyan, wherever they are, let us show up for our talents at 4 p.m. They will be competing against Gambia, but I believe that we have what it takes to carry the day. So, kila moja wetu, wherever you are, tujitokeze pale kwa stadium. Let us show up for our girls. I'm very confident that they will make us proud.
Hello, Gloria.
Hi, President. How are you?
Mambo ni aje? Ehe. Masaa ndio hiyo 4 p.m.
Today 4 p.m.
Wonderful. Sasa mjue Kenya yote imesimama na nyinyi Najua imekuwa miaka 9 hivi. Na leo ni WAFCON Nyayo Stadium 4 p.m. Nimewaeleza Wakenya wote tujimobilize, tuje washabikie. Tunataka kutetemesha hiyo Nyayo Stadium. Sawa sawa. Waambie hao warembo tumesimama na wao kama mlingoti. Okay. Sawa sawa. Wako hapo Mambo ni aje? Aya, sasa sisi tuko nyuma yenu 4 p.m. Make us proud. We are right behind you. Sawa.
Motivation, Mr. President.
Si mnanijua, nyinyi mkicheza kama nyinyi, mimi niko hapo nacheza kama mimi. Aya. Sawa. God bless.
Kurege taseni gian soko TV mwanchi umugireria nigotukweneria basubati bense ya Kenya Harambee Stars sebo bwibwa bene sagosire byabo agendere to ikarabonega umyegeti keria Nyayo Stadium. Director Zaka Feritas Kabendi Aros Wanja Brana Chaka amona Dorin Kerubo no barenge mega yechi kamera kwenekia ingachibicha amo onamarigo ikirare senchire yo wekanu kiro chapto chideka 15 nomo igoro chinsa 10 chabona maragoba kukonelia maragoba oro motero mangana yo mona yanda mange no nyore chinsa eyemo amone chinsa so chabutuko asenchera ere yo wekanu letre nenche kwa Daniel omwaga maragoba omotero